Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo. What's good, everybody? Good morning. How are we doing today? We back, baby. All right. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. Let's get into it, baby. Let's make this money. All right. Ooh. Okay. Couple of things here. Gold had hit our stop loss the other day. We weren't in that GJ. We were waiting for rejection to happen for us to come down. Hasn't happened, so we haven't come down on it. AJ hit our stop loss at the call that I had sent out. USD CAD is in about what is that, 23 pips drawdown. Euro GBP hit our first target profit level, second target level, and is making its way down. I went ahead and took profit, got out, because I'm gonna be live trading here with you guys, so I don't want to be in multiple positions. Okay, great morning. Caught a nice buy on USD CAD earlier. Nice, congratulations, Nicholas. All right, so USD Jappy, it was in a little bit of profit. I closed that as well, but I still think this is gonna come down, man. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. I'm out. I'm not looking. USD CAD is the only one that I'm currently in. Yeah, USD CAD. The reason for that is because I'm in a little bit of drawdown, and I still believe, like with the New York Open, it's gonna push up. So hopefully it doesn't stop us out before then. But either way, that's why we follow proper risk management, because at the end of the day, it's always gonna save you. All right. Let's switch over to the lives, and what do we want to look at? What are we looking at here? Dang, look, this was a setup I had a while back. Look, here goes. Take profit 1, 2, hit levels, and here's the break, here's the retest. Now can we get some rejection? If we can get some rejection here. Oof. And USD CAD, I think it's gonna stop us out. Anyways, if we can see some rejection here, we can fall, right? This is on AJ, the 4 hour. We had already got stopped out on that once, but I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm doing fresh analysis on everything. Just get rid of everything. Okay. This one is blue because we're still in that. Look at this though, guys. This from the last live came down and literally it broke, came and hit our first 1, 2, and 3 levels, then came back. Once it broke up, you could have made double here, right here and right here in the same analysis. You don't trade in this zone, but broke up right here. Targets 1, 2, 3. Easy money. Easy money. All right, we'll go ahead and delete that. And I'm gonna go ahead and delete that because you know how we do fresh, clean charts, pure price action, baby. Let's start with the week. Where are we? All right, we're currently bearish. It's Thursday. Let's double check some news. I'm gonna keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. There's our news at we got 645 euro. It's in about an hour. 730 euro and 730 USD unemployment claims. And then we're good for the rest of the day. JPY holiday, bank holiday, JPY. Keep that in mind. Tomorrow, Friday, Jesus. GBP, Euro, GBP, CAD, and USD. Oof. Looks a little dangerous tomorrow. All right. So, gold. What do we see here? I mean, the immediate trend, obviously on the weekly, is to the downside. But we could be making the argument that we're wedging it out right here. Right? Which could be an ascending wedge. Or it breaks out here. That's on the weekly though. What is price telling us this week so far? Last 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks have been bullish. This week is breaking down to the downside. We still have a day and 11 hours left here. If we're starting to create new lows from the previous week, then we're probably breaking market structure, right? To head down, and it could be coming to test this level of support, right? So that could be a sign that this is going to come down here before it tries to come and test this level of resistance or this level of resistance. Either way. Either way, that's what the weekly is telling us here. All right, daily. Past 1, 2, 3. Well, this is a current day. We got 10 hours left. 1, 2 days we've been down. This is a doji. This is a bearish engulfing. So, I mean, there's a lot of push to the downside here. But there's also this area right here where it's support. Wick. See this area where it rejected, push up. So we're in that space. Now, are we going to continue down or are we going to break through? No idea. 4 hour. What do we see? What do we see? All right. Tell you. Got this level right here. The 4 hour. This is, I mean, literally at support right now. Immediate resistance right here. Let's come down on the 1 hour. Refine this a bit. Okay, let's see if we can see a setup here on the 30-minute. What is our ranges? Have a break to the upside here. Range about right here, about 50 pips. First level. Boom. Second level. Boom. Third level. Boom. Essentially about 100 pips, right? To the downside, downside, to the downside, to the downside. Man, really, I don't really want to trade it from right there, man. Like, to be honest, like, it just, first of all, this wick, I'm not confident. We got a little space here. We got this heavy support right here. Honestly, I feel better right here. Right here. Because then we got this move right here. First level, 36. Second level, 76. Third level, 138. Let's see that. That's what I see right here. There's the gold setup. Gold setup right here. We can break either way. I think we're at a very important level, honestly, right here, because this could be the first pump, the first push up, right? The first leg here, where it's this push up came back to retrace. Now we can consolidate right here before the next push up, or it could trend, right? It could now push up to create the new highs. So I don't know. Be either way. See that this is the first pump up. Really, was this pump, consolidate, pump, pull back to the same consolidation zone. So either it's gonna bust down or bust up. Like, because this phase right here, this is choppy. There's still opportunity there, you know. Shorts are kind of sucky if you're looking for 40-50 pips, since 1787 has been hard level for like forever. Yeah, I think so too, because of all this consolidation. I mean, really, I'm hoping that this support level holds and pushes up, but for a quick scalp, honestly, if it breaks down below here, the 1789, I think we have, you know, a good 30-40 pips here that we could come and get. And especially because, I mean, I've been trying to buy this thing all fucking week. It's been rejecting me. So unless I see some nice price action here to the upside, like breaking above this market structure, then I can catch this range, you know. And even from here, like, you have this, boom and boom, this from this zone to this zone. See? I mean, this whole move right here would be 267 pips. But the thing is that this move right here is going against this move, this whole move, which right now the trend is, here's the market structure broken, right? Pull back, lower, came back, started pushing up again, but overall down. Right here, I thought this was doing a double bottom. I was like, oh, okay, nice. And then it still came down lower. So so we'll see what it does. What I'm gonna do is set alerts here. Add alert, crossing up, bar closed. Add alert, crossing down, bar close. So there's gold, and let me go ahead and snapshot this for you guys. And I'm just gonna send it in here. I'm not even gonna send it out everywhere else, because if they're not on here, I mean, shit, man. What else am I gonna do? Marty sending everything out. The least they can do is jump on the live, right? All right, so there goes gold. Take a screenshot, write it down, look at the link, do what you gotta do. Let's look at GJ, and let's go ahead and make this orange, so I know that's what we're looking at. GJ, what do we see? Weekly clean charts. Ooh, look at that heavy ass. Look at this rejection, man. Wow. This is on the weekly, guys. Badass wick. Crazy. Just said, nah, price is not going down there. What do you guys see? Perhaps. Maybe. Say it ain't so. Daily. This level's right here. Boom. Holding this level, breaking market structure daily. The last. Here we go. Nice doji. Bullish. Still got 10 hours today. 4 hour. 4 hour structured trend is. Here's where we fizzled out. Consolidation broke up. This was the last high. Then slowly moved down. Consolidate. Broke down. Came back, retried this consolidation area, push back down, but this low is higher than this. Consolidated, broke down. This low became lower than this, so now the trend became the downside. Try to push up, reject it. It basically did not create the new high. So what do we do here? Push back down. Now the pattern is low, lower, low, lower, low. Just pull up here. Now, as long as we're not breaking market structure up to the upside, we could look for bearish confirmation to then continue the trend. Lord Banks, what do you think about institutions running the stops before making a move? And I'm gonna tell you what, dude, like there's a lot of, oh, we just got stopped out on USD-CAD. Yeah. All right. I'll tell you this, man. I know there's a lot of thought behind that. And really the only reason I give that thought is because people actually think about that. You got to understand what we're trading against here. We're not trading against, like, if you think you're trading against banks and institutions, like, you got another thing coming, man. Like, yes, they're the market makers and they make price fluctuate because of the moves that they make. But the thing is that you're trading against another person's psychology. And because that is a thought, now you have to understand that it's got to be a thought in a lot of other people. But the thing is, overall, you cannot allow, like, that thing is going to cripple you, man. Like, because you're always going to be second guessing yourself on what you should do in this market. Like, the easiest thing for me is always going to be look at the price and then trade what we currently see. I cannot speculate on what institutions are going to do, what the big banks are going to do, being stop hunted, being all that. Like, at the end of the day, I'm looking at the price and what it's doing right in front of me, whether that be a swing setup or a scalp, like what, any of those, it doesn't matter. Like that's what I pay attention to. Let me finish marking this chart up before I get into this, because I have more thoughts here, but hold on. I need to set alerts before Mr. Thing. It's 6 o'clock already. All right. Man, I kind of want to, yeah. Let's line it up here for a second. On the 1 hour. This way. What we see on the 30. Okay, this is not a bad range right here. About 57 pips there. Second level will be down here. 150. And the whole goal with these is up or down will make money, but when you look at the overall, because imagine we can catch an overall trend move to the downside and we take a sell, hit our targets, take 80%, leave a runner, and the runners, man, you can't underestimate the runners. Like the runners are what gives you all the extra bonus pays, you know what I'm saying? Like the runners are nice. All right. And I don't like none of this. This is all ugly. Oh, right here. It's about at that. That's about 52 pips. 65 pips. See, I mean, 50 pips is not bad. Like that's a nice range. I'm gonna set it up, but like compared to the downside potential, you know what I mean? Like, and this might very well just a little bit above. And I'm gonna set an alert. And I'm gonna say crossing up, and I'm gonna say when the bar closes. Set an alert, crossing down, bar closes. All right. Take a screenshot, write it down, take a picture, do whatever you want to do. Shit, you ain't even got to take the trade if you don't want. You don't want to take my trades. I don't care. I'm here doing my thing, man. Dude, are you kidding me? Fucking USD CAD. Wow. Spike me out and then push all the way up. What an asshole. Wow. Okay. So we got setups there for gold, and we got setups for GJ. Oh man, did my thing disconnect? Can you guys see me? Are you guys here still? I think like I don't know why this is having so many problems. Is it freezing or what? Is the live freezing? I don't know what the hell, man. It looks like it may be freezing. I hope it's not having an issue. Gold pushing down. Still see you? Oh, okay. Cool. Let's see. He said, Nicholas said, Eurocad. 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 Look at this. Look at this fucking move. Look at this, guys. This is the move that we talked about. We took this. We actually made money off this. We profited here. We got out right here when it was kissing this trend line. And it pulled back. But then it kept melting. Hit target level 1, target level 2. And then just completely melted right here. A hold on this thing right here, you'd been at 225 pips. That's wild. This was a trade from 2 days ago. We just took this little small move, which I'm okay with, like, but just look at the analysis, guys. Pretty on point. And where are we going? Where do you guys think? Probably down here. Probably gonna break right there. Probably gonna break right here. Have a nice little range right here. Boom. And then right here we need to read and react to go back up or continue to melt. Probably gonna find that support right there and then start testing to the upside. But let's start clean charts. Clean charts. Clean charts. Weekly. Badass wick to the upside. I mean, we have overall movement to the downside. We also have this level right here. Quarter. This might consolidate a bit before it breaks down. Yup. Was bullish the last couple of weeks. This week we have a day and 10 hours left and it is bearish. Bearish daily. Look at this. Consolidation, breakup. Maybe it's coming back to retest this break, right? Because this could be the break, retest, or it creates a higher high daily. Last 2 days it's been bearish. Right now it's melting. I think if we break this yesterday's low, then we may be looking to test this level of support. 4 hour. Breaking market structure here, crossing up, bar close. You know, I need to get the 30. Yeah, 30. Once per bar close up. Because from there, we got nice target levels. really all the way to the upside. Which would be 45 pips, 100, 124, 189, 223, 236. A nice little potential thing you can set up. Obviously, this longer move, like this is just a long-term type of hold. If you were to hold, you know, really you're looking for that first push, that first move, unless you're gonna swing it. You know, you swing it, then yeah, I think the downside has less potential. 20 pip, 59, and then you're hitting this level of support here, where in the past this area just consolidation before a break. So this could be overall the area of the retest. Okay, so here's EuroCAD. I think we have more potential to the upside. I would really like, you know, the candle close over here to be breaking this previous high, give us confirmation to the upside. So we'll see. Let me send this chart out to you guys. Y'all got any other ones? Anything else you guys want me to look at? Let me know. Let me know now. All right, it's 6:12 a.m. my time, of course. For everyone else, I don't know. I don't know what time zone you guys are in, but right now we're in pre-New York session. Got New York session happening here in about 47 minutes. 47 minutes, New York Open will happen, and that's when we should see some volume. But we should see some indication of what's going on, you know, during that. Gold looks like, I mean, it looks like it wants to go down, but I know the move is to the upside. I mean, either way, up or down, we're gonna catch our bag. Uh-oh, look at GJ. GJ just rejected over there. Maybe coming down now. Freaking USD CAD. Can't believe you, USD CAD. Look at this. Wicked me out and pulled up. It's a whole ass move, USD CAD. Whole ass move. Dollar index is down, which could be good for gold. USD JPY. see this thing, and now this thing, like, I think I closed out early on this because I wanted to be out of positions, but I mean, this looks a nice pattern right here. Even now, like, you guys see this? See, this is what we call a trending market. Now, you could easily get into this, and you would want to put your stops above where now it's breaking market structure to the upside. This high right here, this breaks not only the trend but previous highs, which from this trend it has been creating lower highs. Here's your highs, here's your highs, here's your highs, and it's at a perfect area. Say, hey, you know what? Look at that, and that's like perfect. Risk to reward, like, honestly, I mean, I still think this is playing out. This is the same setup that we traded. I mean, we took yesterday over here, but the thing, it went in, it pushed down a bit, pulled up a bit. Like, this has been 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 hours, almost a whole day in the same kind of price area. And really, I was hoping for more movement to the downside. Look at GJ, yeah, bro, I sent that chart out. GJ's right here. GJ's right here. Here's the setups on 30-minute. Here's our area where we're trying to push down or up. Honestly, I would prefer to the downside. I think we have more opportunity, because I think this is just a big break retest here. You know what I'm saying, on the 4-hour? Because look at this. Low, lower low, lower low. So that high would be, you know, around this area, just here. Even if you ran a fib on this, look at, I bet you anything, a fib level here to here, we're rejected in that area. See, from the swing high to swing low, here's our rejection area, just pulling it down from. Obviously, you would need more for a bigger move. You would need more confirmation on the, like, bearish confirmation. Even on the hour, you get a bearish engulfing. 30-minute right now, like, we're just trading on the 30-minute because I'm trying to get a scalp here live for you guys. Like, get in, get out. You know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna, okay, this one is, yeah. Yep. Yeah. Patience, guys, patience. Remember, patience pays. Patience pays the bills, baby. Patience pays the bills. Damn. All right. Yeah, so GJ would be nice to catch a sell because of the overall move, because then we have like room to grow. I mean, this little first range right here is nice enough, which is what I'll be shooting for on the live. Gold, there's some heavy support here, so really I want gold to push up, but we have an uphill battle here because this whole area has just been a push down, like from here. So what is this, July 15th? It's just been 7 days, a whole week. The whole week it's just been pushing down. You know what I'm saying? So I've been getting hit and stomped out. Trying to buy it the whole damn week. There's a whole week I've been trying to catch this. Eventually, you know, it's gonna come back, test these areas. See, overall, like from here I've been trying to buy it, and here's now some nice heavy support. And really on a big time frame, all this is a break and a retest. Watch, we can probably look at it on the daily. Look at that. You see how much cleaner it looks here, where we're breaking right here and we're retesting. That could be the potential right there. Only thing is we got a lot of little nasty wicks that make it hard to find like good entries and good stops and targets and stuff because of that. Oh, look at this. Moving up. Moving up. Now remember, we don't get in right at the breaker. We get in the candle closure, because we want that confirmation, right? We want that confirmation. Patience, guys. Patience. Okay, look, it's breaking up. And really, we probably don't want it to be this candle that closes above. Why? Because look, if this closes above, this is our stop. Kind of big. But if it's the next candle, you know, and it has a little wick down here, like it's half of that. It's a lot more, like our risk to reward's better, you know. I'm okay with this because it's creating that top wick. The next candle should be the one, because also the next candle is going to take us right into New York Open. So you see, there's a lot of like little factors you got to think about that play a role, you know. Yeah. So right now, if you're just joining us, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, sorry, to 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live and you're not missing any of my updates and videos. And if you're gaining any value out of this, please consider smashing the like button. It helps me gain a little bit more exposure and help others that are also looking for some solid Forex value. This GJ, I would really love for it to come down, break here. So right now, guys, we have 3 setups: Euro, CAD, GJ, and gold. We're waiting for confirmation for breaks. Oh, you know what? The USD CAD stopped me out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. Yeah, USD CAD was just being a whatever. Oh, dude, you know what? Dang, this thing is pushing up now. 57. I'm just looking at the price right now for. These are some cryptos I have. I don't trade crypto, but I do buy crypto and hold long term. Look, USD Jappy. Man, I think that one's gonna be this one's gonna be a nice trade overall. Like if we would have held. Look at this one. I mean, that was a nice setup. I think it was you, right, Nicholas, that gave me this one yesterday. Did a look at it, and then I did this setup, and boom, payday, baby. Oh, this just fucking disrespected the hell out of its site. I mean, since we got this level here, this was stopped us out. US 30, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Nas, boom. S&P 500. That mirrors US 30, look at that. Same movement. NZD USD. Oh, we got out of this one actually. Profit hit our 1, 2. That was nice. Euro JPY. Is this like a double top here? I mean, we're headed down. We've come up here. Now we come up here again. This could be a nice setup. Euro JPY. The only thing is I don't like this little consolidation area. But even, oh, damn, it did cross it. Oh shit, wrong chart. What does it look like? Nah, I'm not getting into that. Been fooled like that before. It's probably gonna go up, but it's gonna pull back first, and so that means our entry is gonna be crap. I'm just gonna I'm gonna move it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna reset the alert. Also pay attention to this area. How price is gonna react to this area on the 30-minute. 6:30, we got about 30 minutes till New York open. About a 22 pip stop. First target here is, and really like the first target, yeah, is like 53 pips, right? But remember guys, we're just trying to get 15-20 pips out of this. That's all we want. We just want 15-20 pips. Nothing too aggressive, you know what I'm saying? Like 15-20 pips. 15-20 pips. You can literally build, scale, and like compound an account taking 15-20 pips all day, baby, all day. You see, yeah, the dollar index is down. This should be moving up. Honestly, I'd rather this give us a nice candle closure up here, even if it wicks up here and then closes around here, and then I can put my stops below the previous wick. Have a tighter stops here, and still have a nice good risk to reward, risking less pips and riding with the momentum. I just think like getting in here in this kind of area, not only are we gonna have to risk more, but we also run the risk of having to like hold on to drawdown, which is currently doing. DJ is finding some support here. Eurocat is on the move. Looks like it's pushing down. Watching that. What are we looking at over here? And this USD Jappy, man. Oh, what the hell? This USD Jappy, it's gonna be a nice move, but I don't know how long you're gonna have to hold this for. Even if you were to get in right here, like you're not far off from the original entry. What is this? 9 pips, 10 pips from original entry. So you would be risking about 60 pips. Long-term move here. No, but you see that makes it now not worth it. Because this is really the first level you need to pay attention to before getting down here. I think that the move was up here, like, and good confirmation of that. Like, this was push up, pull back, push up. I mean, this could be creating the new trend to the upside. So Euro GBP played out, indices, NCD, USD. Thing played out right here, but ended up closing out. See, what is this? Oh. Oh, this is the one we were talking about, Euro JPY. Or there's some potential here. The potential is like a double top situation. And this would be for a swing, obviously. You know, sheesh. What is that? 27 pip with room, 25 pip risk. And this is actually a nice setup, to be honest. What is this? An hour and 22 minutes before we close this candle. Man, honestly, I'm gonna send it out to my Discord, because I like this and I'm gonna get in on it. But this is a long-term play, guys. This is not a scalp. This is gonna be a swing move right here. We have about a 26-25 pip risk. Yeah, I definitely like that. Because look at, like, yeah, I should wait. No, but I think, what is this? Euro JPY USD. Yeah, we have JPY holiday, so could be slow volume. What I'm gonna take a small position on Euro JPY, but this is a swing, guys, so we probably won't be getting out on this on the live. So that there. Okay. Targets. Yes. Target levels. All right. Sending this out to my Discord. Trade setups. That's gonna be nice. You said what? German 30? I don't even mess with German 30, bro. But I'll look at it. Look at it. That pullback there. Now we got a reasonable stop. At 19 minutes. Alright. German 30. Which one do you look at? I'm just gonna go with this one. German 30. Let's do top down. Heavy wick right here. I look like it's pushing up and it's fizzling out, but rejecting to the downside. Last week was bearish, but it looks like it completely rejected that. We have 1 day and 10 hours left. Oh, Euro JPY is in profit. Okay. Daily. Okay, found some support here. Support. Daily. Past 3 days on a bullish run. This could be push down, retrace. Oh, that's a little bit a little high. I think it's if it's not rejected now, it's probably going up. 4 hour. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Okay. And this was on a run right here. Hour. Things just been kind of consolidating right here. Probably say breaking down from here. Have a nice range to the downside right here. Level 1, level 2, and then level 3. To the upside, to the upside. Right there, because then we have really first level here, second level, third level. Obviously, guys, like long-term moves, we're looking to test these areas, right? The zones. But these are targets to target within that. This looks like, and I would wait for candle closures, just so you guys know. Let me send that out to you guys. There's German 30. I'm not gonna trade German 30 because I haven't traded that and I don't know how my broker actually calculates it. So I personally won't trade that, but it's a setup for you guys. Euro CAD, GJ. Wait, hold on. Did I not have an alert right here? Why did I not have alert? Pressing down. GJ. Gold. And gold might be the move. It's 6:46. Got about 13 and a half minutes left on this candle. And it's moving nicely. Euro JPY is in profit. See, look at that. About that. Well, it keeps playing around, but this is gonna be nice. Watch. Mm, 12 and a half minutes. 12 and a half minutes. 12 minutes. It's 6:47. We have about 12 minutes really before New York open. Oh snap. Look at this. What are you doing? Wow, this thing's gonna just like shoot up. Wow. Okay, pull back down. Jesus. Getting awfully close here. Okay. Look at that. This is while we wait for candle closures. Please use proper risk management when cheap 30. It moves quickly and can blow your account. PRM is it? Yeah, I'm sure it's an indice. Yeah. Indices are like that for sure. Look at this. What a fake out. We got about 9 minutes left here. 9 minutes left on this candle, and about 9 minutes left before New York Open. New York Open should be some volume flowing in. Do-do, 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 do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. All right, guys. So we have setups here for, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Right now we have, if you're just joining us, we have setups here for gold, GJ, Euro CAD, and I did do some analysis on German 30. If you want to trade that, I sent out those links in the chat. They are available in the chat. On my Discord, I did send out a swing for Euro JPY, and you can trade that if you want. It's in my Discord. Guys, my Discord is free. Link is in the description. You can join my Discord. Plenty of communication back and forth, education, value, trade setups, breakdowns, analysis. That's where you can find me throughout the day. Okay. The live sessions are quick scalps. Come in here, do it live for you guys. And you know, we're in and out. But Discord is where I'm sending out trade setups. Usually the Discord are swings, and the ones here. All right, Nicholas, no problem. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Like I said, the Discord are swings and the lives are scalps, so you guys know the difference here. If you're new, I wouldn't be trying to catch everything. Like, I would probably just come to the lives and do that. If you are new and don't have time to be on the lives because of work or whatever else the case may be, then you should just take the trade setups in Discord. Okay, we've got about 6 minutes left here before New York Open. Waiting on gold to set up, waiting on GJ to set up, waiting on Euro CAD to set up. Patience is everything, guys. Patience is everything. Patience pays the bills, baby. And my Euro JPY signal is coming back into profit. Actually, let me go ahead and put my entry price here, which was 130.037. So a little lower. Boom. Yeah. It still looks good. Still looking good. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Alright. All right, I am back. I'm back. Man, this thing is, I don't know if my thing is lagging or what, but looks like there's some issues with Humble Bean. Yo, Lord, is Ghost Sniper. What's up, brother? Welcome to this party. Welcome to the party. Yo, JPYs and Profit. That's a swing sent out in my Discord. Currently waiting on setups here. We got about 3 minutes left for the candle closure here. None of these are triggering it. Oh, Eurocad. What's up? Got about 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Yeah, bro. I mean, I have a MetaTrader 4 terminal on my desktop, but you need to download. Who's your broker? You need to download it for your broker, because you can't just download MetaTrader 4 like that. Excuse me. You have to go to your broker and find, like, in the search link of your broker, type in MetaTrader 4, and they should have a download link for PC. Yeah, like, let me see if I can help you out here. Eagle FX MT4 download. You just Google that, bro. And platform. MT4 for Windows. Boom. Download. So once that's downloaded, now you just install it and then log into your account. Make sense? And then you'll have basically a chart set up. Like, you should be able to navigate the chart, no problem. I don't necessarily, like, I usually execute the trades from my phone, but because I got this new setup, my new PC setup, like, I have the trading terminals on here now, and like now I have, like, like the phone. I like the phone because it helps me stay mobile, because I have many other things going on and I'm always on the go, so it helps me there. But like, when I'm able to be, in my office, like, I'll keep my trading charts up. And like, the reason I have I have the trading terminals, the MT4 on the desktop, is because I have multiple different accounts that I try different strategies on, like just working things out. And like, I have a trade copier thing, so I need those accounts open on the trading terminal for the trade copier to work for the EA thing. Like, so I can't do that from my phone. Those are kind of the things that you see. Okay, we got a candle closure here, 30-minute, and close below. So good thing we did not get in. Still waiting here. It is New York open. And you know what? Oh, let me check these other ones. GJ kind of capping out right there. Okay, so Eurocad pushed down a bit but closed above. So good thing here that we had our area right below, because this would have been a really high stop. Yeah, man, I know that's what I was saying earlier. There's fucking, I don't know what the hell's going on, man. Like, with my stream, it's the worst. It's like, I see it on the OBS, like it's saying issues, but I don't know how to fix it. You know why? Why? Oh, my stream bandwidth is good. Like my upload is 30 and my download is like 600 or something like that. My stream bandwidth, like what are you talking about? Like the setting on OBS or? Because like it's worked before perfectly fine. Settings have been the same. It's just randomly like that it has a little fucking fit. I don't know how to change the. Oh yeah, so the stream's current bit rate is 10,174.29 kbps, and it says it's higher than the recommended. But I don't know how to change that. Suggestion: the stream's current bit rate is higher than recommended. We recommend that you use a stream bit rate of 4500 kbps. Use 6000, but how do I change that if I'm in midstream? Like, I don't think I can change that right now. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, okay. It said 6000. Alright. I changed it to 6000. Let me know if that's better or worse. This thing YouTube is saying 4500. I put it at 6000. But I can see it's saying like the drop frames. But oh, EuroCAD is breaking below, which this is gonna be a nice setup here. But hopefully it doesn't run away. What is that? 14 pip stop. $4,000. It's still, I don't know, man. I gotta figure that out because I don't like that. And I'm using the preset that it says for. Can you guys see this screen right here? The preset that it says for YouTube streaming. Target bit rate. I'm gonna lower it now to the 4500. Let's see. This is what YouTube says to do. Then reset stream. Well, OBS let me update it and it's coming down to the 4500 and it's green now. What does it look like on your end? Does it look better now? But does that affect like the quality? Like the quality of the stream? Like picture quality? No? Alright, this is breaking right here. We want candle closures though. That's not ready, and that's not ready. Look at that, man. If we would have got in right there prematurely, just it only affects quality at 0 to 3K. Let's see. Alright, so EuroCAD is the one that's kind of setting up right now, but we want a candle closure. Candle closure. And right now, this is kind of eating away at our profit margins, but yesterday profitable for me. Yeah, I was, but I took a couple of L's. Like it basically, I ate a lot of my profits, but I still. Hey, bud, Nishash, what's up, brother? It's been a while. I hadn't seen you in a minute. You changed your name back to Nishash. I thought we settled on Mike, or what was it? Remember? From South Africa, right? India. Oh, there was someone from South Africa that I remember from my London live streams. 20 pip stop right here. I would like this to pull up a little bit. We still got about 22 minutes, but it's New York open right now. Oh, look at this thing. It spiked down and pulled up. Eesh. I used to be a swing and now a day trader. I feel you, bro. I mean, on my Discord I send out swings. On here, I'm doing scalps. Usually too, though, my swings are intraday. Like, this is pushing down. So is the streaming better now? Is it not lagging as much? Or is it still lagging? That makes sense. Okay. Guys, if you're just joining us, welcome to the stream. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit the like button. Currently we have 3 setups, one on gold, one on GJ, and one on Euro CAD. I did send out a swing on Euro JPY that's currently up about 23 pips in profit. Sent this out earlier. A swing setup. It already hit our first target level. Reaching for the second target level here. And you know what? Let me go ahead and send out an update on my Discord, because if I don't update these guys, they're not gonna know. Plus 23 pips profit. BP1 hit. For EJ. Man, I've been feeding everybody every freaking day over here. Let's see, what do we say? Viral I don't even know what this virologist chimp. Is Humblebean the guy called Ghost Sniper Discord? Yeah, he said he is, bro. He said in the comments that was him. What's your usual risk reward for the trades? I mean, I like to stay around 3, bro. Like, I know sometimes it's a little less, but I'm always just kind of managing like what I see, what, you know. Like, I don't mind if it's 1.5, 1.82, like, because I see the opportunity, but, you know, less than that I don't really want to take for the most part. For the most part, I'm looking for setups that are going to be 1 to 3, but it doesn't always play out exactly, you know. Champ, I copied his trades and made a lot of money, so thanks, Ghost. I mean, thanks, bro. Congrats, bro. Congrats. All right, so we got about 18 minutes here. This thing is pulled up. It's setting up nice. EuroCAD. We got Euro JPY melting. Hey, now it's looking nice. EuroCAD, we are waiting for the candle to close. GJ has not hit our target price. Gold has not hit our target price. So it's a waiting game, maybe. It's a waiting game. It is a waiting game. See, I want to see if it's going to break this level of support right here. This little mini level of support. I'm gonna remove that because I don't want to confuse people. Man, this EuroCAD, I wish it was already like closing the candle, because we have some nice room right here. 13 pip risk, potentially 54 pips. Sheesh. That's opportunity, baby. I feel like every time I look at this thing, it starts. I don't know. All right, we got about 16 minutes left here. EuroCAD is looking like a nice setup. Shout out to Nicholas Mims for pointing it out, asking me to do some analysis on this. Guys, if you have a chart that you want me to look at, go ahead, send it through. Send out here. Let me show you how you send it, so you guys know what to do. When you have a chart on TradingView, click on this little camera. Boom. Then you're going to click on Save Image. Boom. You're going to have a chart like this. You're going to copy whatever comes after snapshots. Snapshots slash, and then you copy that and send that in the chat, and then I can come in and pull it up here on the screen, and I'll see it, and we'll look at it, we'll review it, and you know, 2 eyes are better than 1. If you want, I mean, you don't have to if you don't want. I mean, I don't care. Like, gives me something to do while I'm here. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Man, you see, this is bullshit. Like, this thing keeps messing up. The current bit rate, I don't know, man. I mean, shit. This, I gotta figure out how to fix that, because that's annoying as hell. Annoying as hell. I don't know. I'll get it right one of these days, guys. Yup. 14.5 minutes. We're currently in New York Open. Volume is coming in. EuroCAD is setting up. GJ has not reached our target price area, and gold has not reached our target price area. It flirted with the top level here and then pushed down. This is why we wait for candle closures. Look at this fucking melting. Imagine we would have got in for a buy right here, because it was wicking out the top side. It would have just completely melted on us. This is what patience does, guys. This is what patience does. Scalp your bow gently down the Forex market. This guy. Yeah, so patience, guys. Patience is everything, man. Like, you're too eager to make money, to, you know, win, to, you know, you jump in early, and that is what fucks you up. It's very important. Very important. And this is why I like doing the lives, because you get to see the psychology and the mindset behind being patient and reading price action. Because what I'm doing here, I'm doing it live. You know, there's a lot of people that put up YouTube videos that just hit this little replay button. And yeah, I mean, I could see I could be like, okay, gold is coming all the way down. So then I come right here and click replay button, and I say, boom. And then I'm like, all right, guys, right here, we're gonna sell it. And I make a YouTube video and say, I'm gonna sell it right here. This is where we're selling. Boom. Play it out. And look at that. I was right. I made all if you guys see those fucking videos, man, that is hilarious, dude. Like, I honestly just laugh at them, because like, these people are, look, they're like, yeah, look at all these pips we have made, and fucking bums, dude. I don't care. Like, whatever, man. Like, honestly though, guys, like, I feel more bad about the people that they convince that they're actually real traders, and then those people think they're the shit, and they go off and buy courses and signals and products from these people that don't even know how to trade. And then the validation is, oh, well, these people are showing off money and cars and all this. Well, that they got that from the money you paid them. You know, like, you know, I mean, at that point, they just have to fool you once to take your money, and then they do that to 100,000 people. Like, 100,000 people are paying, you know, $10 minimum. Like, they're killing it, you know. Like, they're just good marketers. You know, go with someone that shows you live that they're doing it. Like, you know, like, I trade with you guys live. I don't charge for any value education, like setups, analysis, questions. Like, I don't need that money, man. I make my own money. Like, I really trade to make money. So and you think, oh man, I'm gonna be a millionaire in a week with this indicator. Yeah, man. Like, you know what, like how Facebook and Google, like, and YouTube, they have targeted ads, right? So like, all day I'm seeing these fucking ads of these people. Do you want to learn how to trade? Do you want to be successful in this market? Stop thinking you can do it yourself. Here is this software. Here is this, like, EA. Here is this Forex robot. I'm like, get the fuck out of here, man. Like, I laugh because, like, I mean, I'm consistent and profitable, and like, I trade and I don't use none of that. But there's a lot of people that see that, man, and they fall for that shit. And they're like, oh yeah, like, I'm gonna do that. And just think about it, bro. Like, you think if that was real, if it was just as simple as buying this little subscription, buying this little software, buying this little tool, and then you'd be a millionaire, you don't think there would be more millionaires? Like, come on, man. You wouldn't know anyone that's struggling in the market if that was real. I mean, just go buy one of those things and it does it, you know? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna sit here and say, like, oh, I don't think any indicators or softwares like work. I think that there's some that can be profitable, but I just don't see something that has to, you know, process the same information as I do, but they do it after the fact, being better than me, you know? Yeah. let's see. I got a question. How many indicators do you use at the start? Oh, bro, there was no like. You know, you shared that picture one time, and you know what? I'm gonna look for in my phone to see if I had, because I used to have like a picture with all. Look at this thing. This thing is indecisive as fuck, man. Look at that. This was just a liquidity grab. Like, got about 8.5 minutes for that to close. GJ is not at our price yet. This one's pulling up. Like, damn, what a crazy day. It's Thursday. Ooh, look at that. Look at gold. Just shot up out of nowhere. We got 8 minutes, so we're gonna be patient. Euro JPY is still in profit. This is a swing though. Send out to my Discord. All right, let me answer some of these questions. Okay, indicators. Yeah, dude. So I had moving averages. I had RSI, the Stokes. I had the MACD. I had the Ichimoku clouds. Dude, it was just, oh my god, so many things, bro. Like, and honestly, it got to a point where I couldn't even see the candlesticks anymore, and I was tripping out because I couldn't even like properly do support and resistance and like just the basic stuff. And then what happened was, where I got rid of everything and deleted all of my indicators, was I wasn't winning, I wasn't consistent, I wasn't profitable. And then the indicators, instead of providing confirmations, they started contradicting each other. So I was frozen. I couldn't make a decision. And I never want to feel like that again. Like, I never want to be in a market and be like, fuck, should I buy or should I sell? Should I buy or should I sell? Like, it's just, it's the worst, bro. It is the worst. The level of anxiety in the market, to be on the fence, I'm not about that. You see now, like, the way I trade is I set up a theory per se, right? And I say, look, if it does this, I'm going here. And if it does this, I'm doing this. This is methodical, baby. Like, this is all like, this is not, I'm not sitting here speculating shit. Obviously, I can see the higher trend and what would play out to our favor and what would be more beneficial, but I'm gonna trade what the market does and gives us, up or down. That's why I have up or down. Like I said, I don't care. Price goes up or down. If it does this, I'm doing that. Does this, I'm doing that. Plain and simple. You know, like a stop. Like, I don't need anything else in that. Like, and honestly, even these, I don't even have all these other lines. Like, I usually just have this yellow line and this yellow line for my charts with the alerts, and that's it. That's how I trade. But I add all these other extra lines and ranges for your visual representation, so you guys see what I'm talking about when I send it out to my Discord, when I send it out to anybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, you guys are not going to see what I'm talking about unless I point it out, you know. And then with time, you guys are going to start seeing it by yourself. You'll be like, oh yeah, right here, boom, target, cool, range, done. You know, it takes me 5 minutes, bro. But anyways, yeah, it was crazy with that. Let's see. How many indicators? And did you think, oh, I'm gonna be a millionaire in a week with this? Yeah, bro. That's why I failed hard at the beginning, because I was see the problem was, bro, when I started, is that right away I made I got lucky and I didn't know how to use risk management or lots. And I had like, I don't know, I think I had put like 10-15 lots or some shit, and it made me like almost 20 grand or something. And I was like, holy shit. Like, I mean, I was like, dude, I'm already fucking awesome at this. Like, of course, yeah, of course, like I'm great at this. And I got cocky and I was like, I thought I had it in the bag. Like, I didn't know all the parameters to it. So right away, you know, I just started for more and more. I was like, if me starting out, I think within the first 3 months, I was able to pull in something like that. So like I said, I got lucky, I gambled and I made money. And so then I just started, being cocky with it, and I wasn't methodical, and I didn't even know how to calculate the lots or the risk management, or it wasn't set up on a method, like a strategy. Like it was just, I just looked at it and was like, oh yeah, it looks like it's gonna go down, so I'll just do that. You know what I'm saying? Not even paying attention to news and all that. But everything, basically what ends up happening is, as you progress through this, you're gonna get slapped in the face. And those slaps in the face are lessons. You start learning. You know what I'm saying? We got about 3.5 minutes here. You start learning these lessons, man. And either one or two things are gonna happen. You're gonna give up and be done, and you won't be consistent and profitable or successful, or you're gonna take these slaps in the face and say, okay, all right, my bad. Learn the lesson, appreciate the value gained, pay that price, the slap in the face, whatever you lost, and take it as a lesson and incorporate it into a plan to where you won't get slapped in the face again because you don't like it. And that's what I did. It's just, I took enough slaps in the face that I've learned lessons that's created consistency, it's created profitability, it's created me the versatility that I have, the patience, the discipline, the risk management plans, the strategy plans. Like everything that I do has all been like basically tested, like raw dogged out in the field. You know what I'm saying? Like I paid all of those lessons. Like I don't tell you guys shit just to tell you, like I'm telling you because at some point I lost money to that. You know what I'm saying? And even now, you're always going to be improving and shaping and growing, and you have to remain a student always. Like, I mean, I consider myself a great trader, but being a great trader doesn't mean I think I know everything. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not like I'm always like staying a student, just being open to learn. But let's move on here. But yes, I did think I was going to be a millionaire within a week, and that's a horrible way to think about things. Like you shouldn't even think about the money. You should just think about the skill. You come in thinking about the skill, thinking about progressing on the skill, improving on the skill. The money is a side effect. I just got like an alert, I guess, like somebody, I don't know, subscribe maybe. Like my alerts that I had set up, I just heard it. Did you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys heard it, but anyways, we got about a minute left here and it's still not breaking either way, man. Come on. Let's be patient though. And EuroCAD pulled back up, so all good. We're gonna be patient. But yeah, I did think that. Lord is here to save the Forex community from scammers. And I wouldn't even say save the Forex community, bro. I'm just here to fuck shit up. Okay, I'm here because like I've seen what they've been doing and I know I'm better than them, and I'm just here to give everyone a better option, a more consistent, transparent, and real option. That's it. That's all. Because you can't save anyone not willing to save themselves. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here begging you to come join my community, to come take these trades. Bro, I don't need to. By de facto, all these people that are subscribing to me, that are joining my channel, that are joining my Discord, that are following me, that are thanking me in my DMs, all of that's just coming because I'm just sharing what I'm already doing. I'm not doing anything more or less. I'm just here doing my thing that I would do regardless. I'm just sharing it with you guys. If anything, it makes this world a little less lonely. Because when you're trading, I mean, it's just you and the charts. Unless you have someone, that you start with, or a trading group that you're personally trading with. But like for me, when I started, like I had a handful of people that were, oh yeah, I'm down, I'm about trading, and we could talk about it all day. But not everybody lasts, man. Everyone gets some people, when they get slapped in the face, they take it very personally. and they don't come back after, you know, which is fine. I get it. All right, so we closed the candle, and it was pathetic consolidation, indecision candle with huge wicks. So we're still waiting on that. GJ still waiting on that. EuroCAD still waiting on that. Okay, so moving on here, and it sucks you only have 200 subs, you know, and I don't even like, to me, I don't pay attention to it. Like 200 subs, 200,000 subs, like whatever, dude. Like, you know, you guys, like, that's not gonna affect how I do things. You know what I'm saying? If anything, it's either people are gonna come help themselves or they're not. You know, like, to me it makes not a damn difference. Like, I show up and do the exact same thing. Go look at all of my lives. I do exactly the same thing over and 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 over. That's how you're profitable. That's how you're consistent. That's how you win. You know what I'm saying? Look at this push up here. That's wild. This created support right here. It could be a double bottom. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning, Steve. Ain't no holy grail. No, sir. Same. We all had the MACD, RSI with moving averages. Are we still in AJ and UC? No, bro. AJ closed me out on stop, and I sent that out in the Discord, and UC also closed me out, I think. Pretty sure I got closed out on UC. USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD closed me out. So both of those hit stops. Yeah, no. Out of those, bro. Let's see here. LO, I used to have 6 MAs, stock and RSI. Yeah. I did the same, made 10K from 263 in a month. Lucky. Yeah, you really convinced me to cut indicators, focus on price action. This MetaTrader is good. Can you show me your setup, please? There's like 50 charts on my screen. Yeah, I have a, what I can do is I'll send you a file in my in the Discord. The file in the Discord is a template, so you can just go to the chart, right click, and then click on templates, load template, and it'll boom give you how I look at my chart. You know what I'm saying? And whoever jumped in on Euro JPY with me is in profits. Hella profits. This might even be turning around, creating a double bottom here to head up. GJ is pushing down. There's a little support here though. And you know what? Hold on a second. What is this range? If we break down here to here, about a 23 pip range. See, I would not mind taking that. And then target right here. And break that. This is another target. Y'all see that? Got about 24 minutes left here. And you know what? Yeah, actually this don't look bad. Don't look bad. Maybe on the next candle, because this would be, we break right here. What is this stops? 20 pip? No, that's not bad. 20 pip. First target is 20 pip, like 1-to-1. Second target 77. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Lord always comes in clutch. Yes sir, I got you, man. Also, sometimes the MetaTrader 4 on the desktop doesn't show a pair that you're trying to trade and you can't add pairs on it, the way I do that is I execute the trade of that pair that's not available on the desktop version on my phone, and then once I do that, then I can go add chart, and then I see that the pair now is available there. It's weird, but that, I mean, at least for mine, the Hugo's Way, like it could be different because I use Hugo's Way and I use the Hugo's Way MetaTrader, which is the MetaTrader for the desktop. Oh. But yeah, like as soon as I get done with this live, I'll jump on the Discord because I have to find the file and then send it out to you. I'll probably just create maybe I can dump it in the resource chat or something where everyone can download it if they want to use it, you know. I don't need to hold on to anything, man. Like I'm more than willing to share everything. Like it's not gonna stop me none or hurt me none, you know what I'm saying? Like to do that, like because I share a template with you, it's not gonna stop me from making money on my trades, you know. Like man, look at that. Support, rejection, boom. So honestly, this looks like a double bottom right here. Boom, boom. I would be targeting this level and then these. Oh, look at GJ. Got about 21 minutes left here on this candle. Damn, look at gold. What the fuck? Damn, gold. Why are you gonna do me like that? You just... Look at that. Like the candle, it's just complete breakout. Just busting way through. But yet, yesterday I was trying to buy it here and it pushed down. Now just completely... Here's the move. Here goes the move. Look at that, pumping. That right there is 70 pips. Just shooting up 100 pips. One candle. What an asshole. Okay. Let's read this. $8 to 9 a.m. gold always huge. Yeah. Yes, the New York volume. And then we have the NYSE open. All right. Damn, look at that. Jesus Christ. And we have to be okay missing moves like that. We can't chase trades. We just have to watch it and be like, yeah, we would have found an entry. I mean, we can review it, go back and look at smaller time frames to see was there a potential entry here. But really, there wasn't. Like, even down on the 5 minute, like nothing was. Because really, in the 5 minute, I would have been looking to break this, and it would have been this candle, and it's way up here. You know, 15 minute, still break this, and it's on the 15 minute. There's nothing we could have done. Nothing we could have done to catch that. We would have only caught that if for some reason we had some kind of swing set up that we were doing and we were already in it, and boom, we caught it. But I don't see a setup here that we would have caught that. It just it's what it is. Like, we have to be okay with that. There's like unlimited opportunities though, and we will catch moves like that. But this one wasn't ours, because we already hit first target, second target, almost third target. This is bullshit, because all fucking week I've been trying to buy it, and now all of a sudden it wants to move 100. What is that now? It's about 97 to 5 is 80 pips. Jeez, 100 pips in 15 minutes. Not even like, it's pulling back now. Okay, GJ's breaking as well. We got 17 minutes here. There's no wick to the top though, man. I really like that. And right here is not the 28 pip risk. Kind of a lot. Kind of a lot. EJ up about 30 pips. Already hit first target. Almost at second target. So we would like a pullback here. It would be nice, you know. Otherwise, it might not be worth. Okay, sorry guys, got some messages coming through. Got about 16 minutes for candle closure. We wait for the candle to close because that is our confirmation. It's my confirmation. Obviously, if you wanted to gamble and get in here anyways, you know, even if you got in over here on one of the ones where it was triggering the first one, you would have put your stops here, you would have got wicked out. You could have put your stops below here and got this, but I think that's a little bit of a gamble. Anyways, guys, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Currently, we have setups on gold, GJ, and EuroCAD. Gold is like really kind of blowing out of our setup. It doesn't look like we're gonna jump into that, but GJ is kind of setting up. Yes, it's pulling back. It's kind of what I wanted here. And EuroCAD is also kind of in a no trade zone right now, waiting for a breakout above here. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live and release any videos that I will be in the future. Also, guys, if you've been here and have gained any value out of this, please consider smashing the like button. This just helps me gain more exposure to be able to help other people just like you. I'd appreciate that. Additionally, my Discord, the link is in the description. It is free. I give out trade setups throughout the day, breakdowns, analysis, chats. You can reach me there. I am there for it. Best channel, others are fluff. Yes, sir, man. I'm not trying to do a show and dance for you guys and be a great marketer and sell you anything. I'm just here sharing what I already do. And if we have a good time and make some money in the process, well, why not? No. I mean, I'm gonna make my money regardless. I think we have more fun when we make it together, though. You know. And I've had people, like, even before I was doing the live, I mean, I've only been streaming on YouTube like since March. Was it March? Yeah. So, but before March, like, I had my own little personal group, like trading, like maybe the year before that, like last year. And, you know, I have people, like, out of that group, like, there was like one person, and it was this girl that she started complete beginner, and she started with like $500 trading, and now this girl's like having like $1,000 days. Like, it blows my mind. It blows my mind, like, because the possibility, right? And all she did was plug into the live streams, ask questions, and stay consistent, stick to the rules. And she's killing it right now. She's teaching her daughter, her 11-year-old daughter, how to trade right now. Like, that's insane. I'll be Texas soon. Looks like want to take you out for stay. For sure, I'm down. Let me know what days. I'm in and out of town. Like, I have a lot of business all over the place, but if I'm in town, I'm down. What part of Texas are you going to? We'll do August, I think. Oh, I'm probably gonna be gone in August because I was supposed to be, for the month of August, I was gonna spend it out in Maui, Dallas. Yeah, because I just need to recharge. I've been, like, I have multiple different ventures besides trading. Like, once you guys, you'll know. Like, once you start making some money, you got to do things with it, because then all of a sudden you got to start paying this little thing called taxes. So you have to be creative. Yeah, my tax attorney told me, my tax attorney said, Joel, tax avoidance is not against the law or something. How did he say it? I forgot how he said it. It's not wrong or something. I don't know. It's not illegal or something. Yeah, tax avoidance is not illegal. You just have to have a plan for it. Man, this thing completely just blew out of the water. Like, Rex and Rich Beats, I'm new here and I'm enjoying your content. This is fun. Yes, sir. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the party. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just here trading. And if you want to trade with me, you're more than welcome. Like, I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to prove. Government wants to pick our pockets as teachers. Yeah, man. You know, bro, don't even get me started. Like, literally, taxes just kept me up at night. Like, just freaking out. Like, there's just no way. You know, when I was young, growing up, like, I'm an entrepreneur at heart, and I've always, you know, had some sort of my own type of business and own thing. And like, I've looked at things in a way where I said, in order to be successful, you know, financially, you work hard, you do a good job, you know, you're upfront, you're straightforward, you know, you're not trying to cheat people, and you do a good job, right? You work hard, do a good job. That was my thing. I said, by doing that, everything else, you know, falls in place. And the thing is that I work extremely hard all the time, in everything that I do. And the fact is that the harder that I was working, the more that I was making, and the more that I was making, now all of a sudden, it's not just about that. Now I have to plan about how to maneuver certain things, assets, liabilities, finances, revenue, like all of that stuff, because if I don't, then I don't get to keep as much. Which is just it's one of my biggest pain points, to be honest. But it's okay, because I look at it like a game. I just need to be aware of the rules, and trust me, once I figure out all the rules and how I need to operate, I'll be the best player in that motherfucking game. I don't give a damn. Like, it's just a matter of time. I've been like wasting tons of funds on it, and now I'm figuring out structures, strategies, planning, you know. I'm all up for it. We got about 7 minutes left for this candle here on GJ. EuroCAD is pumping up. Gold is just out of the freaking, completely just, I don't even know what gold is doing anymore. like bro, give me a chance, bro. All week I was trying to buy you, and here's your volume up. Like, god dang, man. Whatever, gold, you want to be like that? That's cool, man. It's all right. I'm gonna catch my payday later. Homie, congrats on 200 subs. Did we hit 200? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. I appreciate the love, the support. Like, I'm here for it. You guys need anything, you know, I'm about it. Yeah, we did just hit 200 subs. Watch, somebody's gonna be an asshole and fucking unsubscribe. just cause we hit 200. That happened to me. Damn it, look at GJ. Fuck. What an ass. When I hit 100 subs, I was like, oh guys, we hit 100 subs, and then like 2 people unsubscribed. It was like 98. I was like, oh wow, that's how y'all gonna do me? Okay, cool. EJ and Profit, GJ flying away with our profits. EuroCAD is in the no trade zone, but I like the volume. I definitely do. Gold is just, I don't know what the fuck gold is thinking. Where was the, oh, this was this one right here. UJ. And look at that. Where we said earlier would have got in. Look, this was the, watch this thing play. I'm gonna leave this marked up, and we'll check back tomorrow on it. Insane. When I went to work for a government contract in 1991, Captain told me the government rounds up at 52. Yeah, man, that's crazy. Like, to me, that is just unacceptable. Unacceptable. Yo, Jet, this was yesterday's, I think. Yeah. Right? It wasn't today. I'm not sure. Yeah, no, actually this was like 2 days ago. I'll delete that because we're not even. We're not even looking at it. Look, this GN still in the zone. Still hasn't even set up. Some of these things, like, that's what you have to pay attention to, is like some of them you have to be extremely patient. Just wait. That's why, like I say, you know, choose a pair. Stick with it. The dollar is down. German 30, look, pushing down. This one, Nicholas asked me to review this on the live earlier. But I don't trade. I don't trade that. Oh, hold on. Damn, that's a massive wick for the 4 hour. Wow. Heavy wick. Two have worked 10 hours a week, 1.5 years to resolve outstanding penny on a minesweeper we sold to Sudis. They couldn't simply close it out for a penny. Wow. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, man, I just think people are just unaware of the game they're actually playing, because most people don't have or are not making enough like revenue or profit or income or whatever, like to understand that it's a whole different game we're playing. Like that the rules to that game keeps them in their whatever that tax bracket that they're in, and unaware of that game. There's a larger game to the game. You know, like, and then that's what I'm starting to learn now too, is the rules to that game and the way to move and operate. You know, I thought it was just about making some good money, and that would create the world that you want, you know. But as soon as you start making money, those rules start coming into place to put you in a place where you're not. Hold you down, hold you back. But I'm not a tax professional, guys. You should definitely talk to your own tax professional and figure that out on your own, because I'm sure there's people here from different countries, different states. Like, that's why I live in Texas, baby. We don't do no state tax over here. We ain't have that. I'm based out of Texas. Oh yeah, no, I know it. Trust LLC real estate. Yep, I got it. And you know, I knew like the LLC and the business expense write-off stuff like a long time ago. I mean, I've had mine registered for a while, but it's like how those, like the categorization of income, right? And how the categorization of the types of income are also what kind of plays out into the percentage of the tax on it, you know, and then the tax sheltered accounts, and you know, being able to set up a corporation that's a holding company to your LLC, that then your profits are, you pay like a management fee to your corporation, and the corporation is taxed at a different level, because, and that tax responsibility ends up being less than what you would be taxed at for just your regular LLC, you know. Okay, gold and GJ. Candle closed below for GJ. What is this? A 25 pip stop. What about gold? No, gold is out of here. Actually, I'm gonna jump in on GJ. I'm gonna jump in on GJ right now. GJ. Damn it, man, come on. Oh, really? You're gonna just freeze on me right now? Oh, it's okay, because it pulled back a bit. selling GJ. I sold GJ, guys. Sold GJ, and my price is 151. My entry price 151,535. That's where I got in, and of course it's gonna pull up. My stops are above the previous candle wick. There's really not a big wick, but you know, it's there. My first target is gonna be it would not. What is this? 14 pips, yeah. About 14, 15 pips right underneath there. That's gonna be my first target. Okay. And probably from there I'll close like 80% and then just adjust my stops to break even and leave a runner. Gotta play smart, play smart, play smart. Come on, GJ. It's 8:02. We got NYSC open. So I'm in GJ. I'm not looking to jump into anything else because I'm in GJ. Because this is my main focus right now. My main focus. We're in GJ and about a 5 pip drawdown. Come on, baby. Now, also, if the candle closes back in this zone, I'll get out because I don't want to be in this zone. I don't mind if it wicks in this zone and then continues down. Like right now, I just feel like it's creating the bottom wick, right? Or I mean the top wick. But like I said, if the candle closes inside this zone, then I'm gonna cut my losses and get out. Just keep that in mind. Come on, baby. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Still early in the candle. Still early. It's 8 o'clock. Come on now. If you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. We are in an active trade in GJ. We did take a sell position on GJ. We're currently in drawdown about 6 pips. So if you're joining us, you could jump in at a better entry position than me. Additionally, if you are new here, make sure you consider hitting subscribe and the like button if you're getting any value here, and the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. Welcome to the show. If that candle closes in the zone, has momentum. No, if the candle closes in the zone, it's indecision and potential consolidation, because this zone is a no trade zone. It could bounce between up and here, and I don't want that. So if it closes in here, then I'm closing out the trade. Okay, because I don't want that. Then it's not following my rules here, right? Because why would it, if it closes in here, I don't need to wait for it to come up here. I cut my losses, you know, cut my losses, because if it closes in here, it's probably going to come up, test this area, test this top zone. and I'm not gonna you know, I'm not gonna fool with it. Like, if it closes up in there, then I'm gonna get out. You gotta keep in mind, you know, the way we trade here is we want to get out with a small loss, a small win, break even, or a big win. We do not want a big loss. A big loss is not, like, that's not the business. You know, that's how you end up unprofitable, you know. I'm okay taking a small loss. I'm okay taking, because think about it too, like, even we could even, depending on how I saw the candles, there could be an opportunity where I would take half of my risk off if I still thought there was opportunity. But like I said, if it's closing up in here, the candle, I'm just going to completely take off my position, because now the probability has shifted that it will retest this up until here, not even here. It's going to push past my stops and go here and potentially here. So I don't want that. Like, for me, it's basically what I've calculated here for my risk, and I end up losing less than what I had already calculated that I was going to lose. Is a win. The you know, if I'm risking $1,000 right here and I only lose 500, well, then I'm actually winning, because I only lost half as much as I had planned to lose, you know. And that's how you keep your losses small. But also, like, you give it its time. Like I said, if it's wicking, it's fine. Now, if it closes in here, now is where I have a problem with it. But you see, like, it has to breathe. You gotta get, it's gonna do a top wick. Like, give it its moment, you know. See, imagine if we were panicking at that point and got out, and now it's pulling back, you know. Oh, we've got about 21 minutes left on the live. Hopefully I can close this one out and profit while we're live here. I don't want to leave you guys hanging. Make sure you guys in a GJ sell. Yeah, I am in a GJ sell, bro. Yep, I married some trades and they charged me lots of alimony learning to stay with the stop. Yeah, man, I've been there, man. And you know, the way I was able to overcome marrying trades is very simply, the market will always have more volume than whatever your balance is, whatever your capital is, whatever you're trading with. Because yes, you can hold something and eventually it will turn around into your favor, eventually. But the thing is depending upon the lot size that you choose, there's no way you can hold it longer than the market can push past it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not possibility. Like, it's not possible. Like, the market will keep going even though you may feel, no, it should be turning around and whatever. Like, no, dude, just cut it short. And you, even then, like, you can cut it short and still give yourself a second chance. Like this one right here, we're down 13 pips. Down 13 pips. But I'm still okay with it. We have 19 minutes left. We haven't even hit the halfway mark, the 15-minute mark. And it's going this way. So maybe the first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes. You know? That's the way I look at it. Right, I started with options and got away with it most of the time. That's not so in stock or forex. Yeah, I don't trade stocks, but forex, the options, it's a little different. Like, I think I don't know, maybe like the room for error is less or something, but it's gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. I think too, some people, like, what they struggle with is closing anything but positive, you know? Like, I have no problem closing a small loss. It doesn't bother me one bit, because I'd much rather close that small loss than that be double that loss, or, you know, like, I'm so okay closing $500 over 1,000 down, you know what I'm saying? Like being drawdown. About 17 minutes left. See what I say. First 15 minutes, second 15. Okay. 15-minute candle. Closing below. Put about a minute and a half on that. If you're just joining us, we're in an active trade, guys. We are in an active trade on GJ. We are in a sell, currently in drawdown about 6 pips. Got about 50 seconds left here for the 15-minute. Ugh, man, I'm tired today. Yes, it's a huge mental game, especially if you don't give up or like to lose. Yeah, those you have to be mentally tough for this game. If you're not mentally tough, you have to work at that, because that is what's going to kill you. It's what's gonna cause you to lose, really. And then the more you lose, the worse it is for you. You know, you're getting into that mindset of losing. Got about 14 and a half minutes left here. 14 and a half minutes. How did this 15-minute close? 15-minute closed in. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, you know what? We have bank holiday for JPY. We are 18 pips and drawdown, 19 pips, 20 pips and drawdown. It's coming close. It's coming close. Come on now. Oh, you mother effer. Gonna close this out right here. Wow. Like 4 pips away. 4 pips away from our stop. Go ahead, bitch. You gonna close this out? Just close this out. Stop playing games with me. Thing literally just said whoop. And you know why? Because this had no freaking wick. It had no wick, so we needed some push up. Like, price needs to be able to breathe, man. And I bet you it's gonna tap us out and then melt. Yeah. We are 24. Go ahead, tap us out. Tap us out. See if I give a fuck. I'm an asshole. We're about 1 pip away. There it goes. Boom. Closed out. Took an L here. Took an L. See, there's a second chance here. Let this run a little bit. Gold doing. Look at gold. Jesus. Just running all the way back down now. Makes no damn sense. Alright, we took a 26 pip stop here. Minus 26 pips. It stops us out, but the next bar breaks the low. Good entry. You know what I would look for is because this range, yeah, I mean it's the same range, right? Like, depends how low. Like, how low is the break? Because if the candle, you know, honestly, like, we have up to here. We got in here because the range was good enough for us. This 15 pips, like, I'll take those 15 pips. But that's probably why. This is probably why I've been having the issue. Damn it. Maybe it's working better now. I don't know. Hopefully it's connected. So like I said, you got to read the price here, the range, if it's worth it. If this range is worth it, if not, this range is worth it, you know? So, and each level, you know, is a stops out. This could have been putting up here, but that's a 40 pip stop. It's way too much. That's why we put it over here and we took 26 pip stop on that. I got 8 minutes left here in the stream. If you know, if I see this thing set up, I'll call it out, but it took a fucking L. It's all good. Part of the game. 26 pip loss. And I'm gonna be pissed if this thing just melts after it stopped me out. Oh. Got about 6-7 minutes left. Basically the end of our stream here. Six and a half minutes. I'm just seeing if this is giving us a second chance. If we don't get a second chance in 5 minutes, and we will write this one off as an L. But sometimes, I mean, the last slide that we did, the first one we took like a 6-7 pip loss, and then our second chance, you know, paid us out. But like I said, I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. Hopefully it gives us a second chance here. Got about 3.5 minutes left here, guys. 3.5 minutes. Gold just pushing down. GJ's Kind of pushing down a bit. Oh. USD CAD. USD JPY. Look at that thing melted. Euro JPY. We got about 2.5 minutes left here. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a second chance. Like thing is pumping up now. This just basically fooled us. Right here, this candle. This is where we got in this candle confirmation, boom, and then it came back, stopped us out. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're getting a second chance here, man. There's 2 minutes left. If anything, guys, make sure you jump in on the Discord. You know, I'm sending out trades there and making some nice trade setups on swing trades and multiple opportunities in there for you guys. So make sure you're jumping in, plugging in, and you know, reach out to me in there if you have any questions or anything like that. If you're just joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. We took a chance here on GJSL, ended up hitting our stops for 26 pips, and just waiting an extra minute to see if we get some kind of second opportunity, second chance to trade the setup, but doesn't look like we're going to get that today on this. So yeah, we took an L today on the live. We do have some setups that are active out there, and you know what, Euro JPY, yeah, hitting stops right now as well. Damn, and it was in profit. I mean, it hit our first target level. Once it hits the first target level, guys, you guys should be adjusting the stop loss, break even, taking partials, doing something. Got about 20 seconds here left on the live. Pulling back down now. What a fucking bitch DJ is. Anyways, thanks for joining me, guys. I appreciate you guys as always. Make sure if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. Smash the like button if you got any value out of here, learn something new, gain something new. I know we didn't take home a W on live today, but I think each session is definitely a learning process, learning session for everyone. Other than that, join me on the Discord description, or the link is in the description, and I'm sending out setups there, and we'll keep this going throughout the day. Other than that, man, I appreciate you guys for everything. Much love. Thanks for the 200 subscribers, and I am out of here. See you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Peace.